Finally washing my car. I finally have a clean car. Not inside though, but at least outside.